Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Barber Matters. In this video, we have compiled an attractive haircut transformation for black man. If you are looking for some honest haircut, I think you are in the right place. So don't skip this video. Watch this video to learn. Enjoy. Wow, that was literally short one. Yeah, if you really love to have short hair, I think the buzz haircut with perfect shape of line is the right option for you. Perfect mid fade, perfect mid fade, perfect mid fade. This guy looking so pretty handsome. This barber just saved his life. We are moving in after afro with low tapper fade and wow, that was literally flawless afro haircut transformation. It's all about low tapper fade. All of these haircuts are based on low tapper fade. We have covered all famous haircut among the black guys are in compilation. So if you are searching some latest haircut idea, then you should watch this video to learn. As you can see, that guy got perfect shape of line and we are moving next one in the low tapper fade. Here's the before and here's the after. That was literally flawless transformation. We got another huge transformation, and anyways guys, if you have curly hair and you are looking for some low maintenance haircut, I think this is a good idea for exactly for you. Yes, you can get a low tapper on the side and look at this one. It's looking pretty handsome on that guy. If you got like kinky babe, I think the low tapper is the right haircut option for you. Pushing his line back and doing some enhancement work. That shape of line haircut was just flawless. Oh, we got another perfect shape of line with tapper fade. That was literally flawless low tapper fade. Okay, we are moving another low tapper with afro, so the process has been started. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh my god, it's so precise. It's looking pretty handsome on that guy. We have another haircut transformation, and that was literally big chop, and that was hottest mid fade with flat top. Yeah, that was crispy. Wow. Okay, we are moving the next one, and he got also low tapper with perfect shape of line for his braid. The perfect one. Anyways, we got another afro with low tapper fade and prepping his hairline, and here's the final product. He's happy because he got perfect haircut. We got another afro with low tapper fade. The new ribs. That looks pretty handsome. Yeah, that looks pretty handsome. Anyways, look at this one. This guy have some overgrowth hairline issue, and let's see what can happen. This barber just prepped his hairline, and here is the final product. The item fit perfect shape of line. That barber just saved it. We have another tapper fade. Oh my gosh, just look at his C cup. It's pretty defined C cup that was. And that messy curls on the top are literally looking flawless with that low tapper fade. Okay, we have this little one, and he's also looking for some shorter on the side, and even this little one have also short hair on the top, but he's looking for some fades. So let's see which fade he just choose. Oh my god. That was literally flawless low tapper fade haircut transformation I have ever seen. And here we go. This is gonna be, I think, last haircut transformation, and this is gonna be a afro. Oh my gosh. That was literally perfect shape of line. And now the final step started to round his hair on the top, and doing some first trimmer work on his top of the forehead. Applying fist palm. That was flawless transformation, and also that was the last of the transformation. I hope you had enjoyed all of these crispy circle transformation, and guys, thank you so much for watching videos. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel.